Today's video was prompted by a Reddit post where I was responding to a gentleman's frustration. That's the title of this video. He was frustrated with AI because he couldn't get the results out of AI, and it was taking far longer than he expected it to take. And that can happen sometimes, especially when it starts hallucinating. There's a video that I'm going to let you see here in just a moment. It came out really great, except for a couple of little glitches here and there. It inserted the word hashtag, and hashtag is nowhere in the instructions, nor is it in the script that it was supposed to read. I used HeyGen to generate this particular video, and if you're interested in learning more, I'll probably do some tutorials in it as I'm learning and discovering things about it. But HeyGen has been pretty great and is really great for talking head videos, or as you'll see, creating your avatar or your AI twin. So let's take a look.
I've had some pleasing success with using AI. I've also had some frustration and feel the sentiment of those who feel like it's all too much. One thing I discovered is that as we use AI, we are training it in these initial stages. You may already be noticing that AI gets better as you continue to use it. That's because all the prompts or instructions we provide helps the AI to learn who we are and how to respond, specifically to us. In some cases, the AI will only allow you to go so far before it starts hallucinating, which is where you end up in a loop of responses that make absolutely no sense. When this happens to me, I start over. I delete the memory of that conversation so it does not have reference to bad or unrelated information to the project I am working on. This too is also training the AI. Just as it always has been with computers, if you provide good input, you get good output. I also learned you get rewarded for feedback you provide. Feedback helps train the AI as well, and responses continue to get better from there. Lastly, AI is about the ability to communicate. For instance, a doctor with background and training in the medical field knows what language to use to get AI to create a specific result to help or assist them in the field. Whereas a person without that knowledge would get very different results trying to create the same response because they don't have the language or medical background to know how to instruct the AI to produce the result they want. Think of it like this. While AI is very sophisticated in its ability to help us do things we never dreamed we could do on our own, it is not the magic bullet we need to solve every problem we don't have answers to. There is a difference in a cinematographer who uses AI to create a movie and the average person using AI to create a movie, because the average person doesn't know to dolly, pan, or tilt, or what kind of camera lens or color grading to use. The person with industry knowledge will get better results every time because they can speak the language that allows them to communicate the instructions in a manner that gets the output they want. Prompting is the new programming. The better the prompt, the better the results. Hashtag AI will get much better over time, but as of the creation of this video, we are on versions 5.2 and there are still some limitations to overcome. AI is improving at a rapid pace. This can make for both a concerning yet exciting era of tech.